Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We are uploading sports and outdoor tools related goods regularly. In this video you will find Juntos and Soldado foldable lightweight electric bike, 110 mile range 48 volts 750 watts motor dual passenger long range battery fat tire electric dirt bikes for adults, step through motorized bike by GOBIKE. Technical details, item package dimensions 62 by 35 by 12 inches. Package weight 115 pounds. Item weight 27.7 kilograms. Brand name Comfigo. Warranty description: GOBIKE electric bikes comes with a lifetime frame and motor warranty. That's right, the frame and motor are guaranteed for life. The electronics and all other parts, handlebars, seat, forks, shocks, wheels, etc., that are attached to the frame are guaranteed for 12 months. The lithium-ion battery is guaranteed for 6 months. Model name Juntos. Color black. Material aluminum. Suggested users unisex adult. Manufacturer Ningbo KS Medical Tech CO, limited part number Juntos. Style cargo. Included components: rear basket, taillight, battery, front basket, headlight. Size dual battery,